Dearly beloved, we're gathered here today in the presence of God and family and friends to witness and celebrate the union of Kyle and Abby in holy matrimony.
To you, the man of my dreams. You are patient beyond measure, dependable, supportive, hardworking, loving, and all things good. Just your presence brings a sense of calmness to me. You are my home. You complete me in all the best ways and bring out all the best parts of me. I am beyond excited to create a future filled with so much love, laughter, hopefully a few perfect babies, and memories we will cherish forever. Love forever, Abby.
From the beginning, I knew you were special, simply because you played hard to get. You made me work harder for a first date, if you call driving to the middle of nowhere a first date. Nevertheless, I knew you were the one right away, especially after being able to put up with me after leaving for the summer before we really even got to know each other. But look at us. We made it through. I cannot wait to be your husband and see what the future has in store for us. I love you more than anything, Abby. Love, Kyle.
I want to express a huge and a heartfelt welcome to all of you today, to all of you family, to all of you friends, all you loved ones. This is a sacred covenant ordained by God and established in love. As written in Genesis 2:24, a man shall leave his father and mother and hold fast to his wife, and they shall become one flesh. Today, Kyle and Abby become one. I'd like to share the wonderful passage in 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verses 4 through 8 that reflects the great beauty and love and commitment. Love is patient and love is kind. It doesn't envy, it doesn't boast, it isn't proud. It always protects, it always trusts, it always hopes, it always perseveres. Love never fails. And as we near the exchange of vows, we remember that vows are not about feelings, but acts of the will. The vows are so very important because they truly summarize the commitment that's involved. And they'll provide the necessary walls of protection when the winds and waves beat upon the house. Kyle and Abby, as you purposefully look to understand this love as it's expressed in the scriptures, and to express your love in these actions, you will fulfill your vows. Kyle and Abby, having pledged your love and declared your vows before God and these witnesses, by the authority given to me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kyle, you may now kiss your bride.
All I can say is that when he met Abby, it was like something in him clicked. I saw him becoming more patient, more thoughtful, and even a little more organized. Abby, you bring out the best in him. You make him happier than I've ever seen. For him, you challenge him. Most of all, you're with him through the hard times. I knew you were the one, not because he said it, but because how he acted when he came into your life. He talked about the future differently. He smiled differently, cared differently, and seeing you two together just makes sense. But the moment when we really knew Abby was the one, it was when Kyle started going on wine tours. Definitely not a big wine guy, but he is now. So to Kyle, had a lifetime of memories for watching you step into this moment, new chapter. It's one of the most I'm proud of.
I don't think you understand how impactful you are and always have been during the good times and the bad. Abby, one thing I love about you is how consistent and reliable you are. You are always there to celebrate my wins, but most importantly, you never leave my side during my losses. Kyle, I know with you by your side that she will always be loved, heard, respected, and taken care of. You're everything Abby needs in a husband. I truly thank you for loving her as much as I do. There's so much more I could say, but there's beer to drink and a time to be had, so cheers to Mr. or Mrs. Taylor.